Set the default organizational unit for new shared drives. Sign in to your Google Admin Console, and go to Menu, Apps, Google Workspace, Drive and Docs. Click Sharing Settings. To apply the setting to everyone, leave the top organizational unit selected. Otherwise, select a child organizational unit. Click Shared Drive Creation. For organizational unit for new shared drives, select the creator's organizational unit, or a different organizational unit to assign new shared drives to. Click Save. If you configured a child organizational unit, you might be able to inherit or override a parent organizational unit settings.